Now, is my Binbot Pro trading journey still going well? And is the new method that I've been researching going to work? So please watch the entire video and find out, guys. Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to another exciting episode of the Binbot Pro Trading Progress. So if you guys check out my previous episode, I was announcing a new testing of a new method, actually catering to a different trading time specifically. So what I've done is, like, I've been testing on a smaller account for about nearly 2 weeks, trying to find out new settings and also a new trading method. So what I found was actually really amazing, actually. So like what happened is, like, you can look at my balance here, like even for like my balance has gone up to $37,165.28. So this is the growth chart right here. So basically this after withdrawal of the 15,000, and then like trading a bit after withdrawal, it grew up a little bit, and now it continued to grow up to 37,000. So this is pretty much a really good news. So in short, the new method did work very well for me. So if we quickly glance through what I've did, like let's say this was the previous trade session that everything was using the first version of my settings, and also everything after that was a field test of my new method. So basically the old method still works pretty much. So it's just that the old method is more effective from 1 p.m. GMT to about 6 p.m. GMT. So typically about 5 p.m. GMT 0, I would actually stop the old method. So I was looking for another trading sessions, like another trading time that could cater for a different time zone, specifically those that would be awake at about maybe after midnight. So I would narrow down the timing, because based on my test data, mostly is from 3 a.m. to about 8 a.m. GMT plus 0. So basically I was testing the new settings with a new new parameters, and I field tested it on my main account. So basically it clearly shows that it works, because it grew it managed to grow my account some more, and actually in profit, beating my old balance high, which is at 30,000. So it's beating it by about $7,000. So basically, if you notice, I have a test robot V2. It's a totally different settings from the previous method. So if you guys are my subscribers that have already signed up with Binbot Pro using my link, or also paid for the guides, you guys will be receiving the new PDF guide, including the new settings as well. Alright, so basically what I would like to include is a general overview of this new method. So this new method, basically we trade from 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. GMT plus 0. So if, as you can see, everything here was test robot V2. I managed to grow it pretty much at a very good success rate. So I've even field tested it at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., even 9 a.m., then the next day 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So that's just one random trade over here, which is 4:30 p.m. But based on my test data, I wouldn't suggest running this method on the previous method time, which is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT plus 0. So during 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT plus 0, please use the old method. And if you guys want to try the new method out, please use it between 3 a.m. to about 9 a.m. GMT plus 0. Alright, so pretty much everything is looking good, very encouraging indeed. So basically an overview of this new method is let's look at the chart. So basically our previous old method, we kind of divide our criteria based on the ATR level alone. So we actually divided to above yellow we use method A, so in between blue to yellow we use method B. So right now we call this new method a method C, but however it is also time specific, so do only exercise as a reminder. Only exercise method C in between 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT plus 0. So the criteria for method C is basically I've added a new purple line here, which is at this level here. up until the yellow line. So the criteria is we do use method C in between purple to yellow. So if we look at the charts over here, I did test it out above the yellow line, but obviously this is a good day. Even above the yellow line there are a lot of greens, and there's only one loss, like plus minus. Like I've actually included the data here. I've field tested it above the yellow line, but I do recommend it if it's above the yellow line. Do not actually trade it that much. All right, so it's a little bit more riskier, maybe 15%, 10% more riskier if you do it above the yellow line, but it's entirely up to you. So the main criteria for method C, as mentioned, it must be between 3 AM to 9 AM GMT, and the ATR level requirement is as long as it's between the purple and the yellow. So basically how to draw the purple line. So let's see, obviously this chart now is auto scale. If we move to the left, you see it's scale divided into like 10 if I'm not wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. So basically the purple line should be at about the 4th. Like let's say if we scale it up here, this is the 0.00001 line, so it's supposed to be at the 0.00014. So right, so 0.0014, which is over here. Okay, so how do we divide it? So obviously this is the rate, right? So I'm assuming if I take off the rate is supposed to be here. So oops, let me draw back the rate. So the rate is about here. Let me see, about here. Yep, so this is supposed to be the red line. Okay, so how to draw the purple line? So do remember that it is supposed to, the purple line is supposed to be at 0.00014. So to find out, let's say if I remove this, now you divide like this 0.0001, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means each of these is actually 0.00002. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Then like 2, if I'm not wrong, it's supposed to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, correct. So correct. So this is a divided into 10. So this is 0.0001. If you move lower than this, it will be 0, a flat 0. All right. So 0.001, 0.00011, and 0.0012, 0.00013, 0.00014. And 0.0015, 0.0016, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth, right? So how do we draw the purple line? So make sure like, because my charts are auto scaled, so if you want to slide the chart over, you can actually look at how the line is actually scaled, and especially if you have these 3 lines already drawn, it will be way easier. So if not, I will actually have to send you the tutorial videos on how to draw the 3 lines. So basically, if your lines are scaled between, like, let's say around this same range as mine, so like for the number 2, like 0.0002, it will appear 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 times. So if each digit appears 5 times, because this yellow is actually in between, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's appearing 5 times, so that means you are in the same scale as I am. So if then judging from this, the purple line is actually under the red line. You just have to count it is the third number one number. Like over here there's no number under the red line, is like the red line used to be here, but there's no number on the red line, so it's the third one, 1 2 3, and that's where you draw the purple line. All right, so if you guys are not sure whether you guys draw it right, so you guys can feel free to email me. So yep, so I've drew it back here. So basically this is the new ATR requirement for method C. It's just as long as it is between the purple and the yellow, and we only use the stochastic settings, stochastic RSI settings that is similar to method B. All right, so and so far the result has been very positive, so I'm very excited to share this method with you guys. So if you guys are a new subscriber and you guys are interested to trade Binbot Pro, make sure you contact me by using the contact details you see on your screen first, because the methods that I'm sharing, you guys can get it free if you guys sign up for Binbot Pro using my link. Else, if you guys have already have a Binbot Pro account with a substantial balance in it, just let me know on the email, then maybe we'll discuss some alternative methods for you to get the guide and as well as the video tutorial. All right, so the new week is approaching soon, so for all my subscribers that have been trading using my method, good luck to you guys. I hope you guys earn a lot of money, and hopefully it's a good week. Generally on Mondays I would say that it is do trade minimal. Most of the time I would see best result typically on Tuesday to Thursday, but I'm not saying that you can't trade on Monday. Just make sure you exercise good risk management by limiting your losses on Monday. All right, so okay, that's all for now guys. So make sure you remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates on the Binbot Pro trading application. All right, so it's been working out for me so far really well. I've started with only $500 balance, and I grew up, as you can see, to a massive balance by testing the trade settings and finding optimal points where we can actually use Binbot Pro, which after like 100 trades I see a growth that was really good for me, my first 10k, and then I've continued to optimize the method more, new method implemented, and then it boosted up a lot to like 30k, and then after I withdraw, and then right now a new method which actually help boost my account further more to 37,000. So I might be aiming for 50,000 before I do my next withdrawal to actually spend some profits and also reinvest in something else. All right, so that's all guys. So hope these videos help. Do remember to subscribe again, and I'll see you guys the next time.